In this video, I will show you how to set alarm in iPhone. So let's begin. So first of all, you just need to open your clock app. So here you can see this is clock app. Just open it. And after that, on the bottom, you can find a lot of options like word clock, alarm, stopwatch, lot of things. So you just need to select alarm and then select plus icon at the top right corner. Right now this is for hours, so I select 7:30, and there have a option am or pm, so I select am. Right now there have a option for repeat. If you want to repeat this alarm, you can set that time or day. And then there have a option for level and sound, so you can select the ringtone for your alarm. There have a lot of ringtone you can select, so I simply select on. And right now there have an option on the top, save. Just save it. So that's it. Right now my alarm already set. So in this way you can set alarm to your iPhone. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.